Is there anything colder in the universe than a propane tank that's empty? Oh man, I just had a chill. How's that for a pike, y'all? Now, Chris, tell me, what was the secret to your success?
I have no idea. They came right off the bottom though.
There's ice on the bed. Woo! The leg jump, baby! That is another very good representation of what not to do. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing well, and welcome back to another episode of 45th Outdoors. Today, we're chasing walleyes. As you can see, we've got the otter and the sled on the ice. It is just ready for a snowmobile. This is not a situation where we're buzzing all over the lakes. I was out here yesterday, we hand pulled stuff out, checked the whole way, and we're comfortable coming this far today. But definitely be careful if you're gonna be bringing a snowmobile on the ice. But we're out here and looks like we might catch a couple of nice walleyes. We've got 2 on the ice already, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty sweet. The sun's coming up, it's a nice calm day. I got my buddy Seth with me, and we're having a good time. Stay tuned, we're gonna bring you some walleye bites. Seth! We got a flag, buddy! No! Here, put this on. No. Come on, you have to. No, I don't. Alright, Seth. It's your time to shine, big boy. It's your time to shine. It's off to the side. It's running already. You got him? Yep. Nice. Ooh. Let him run if he wants to run. Yep.
He's not running hard. He just
got some weight to him.
Loosen that. Ooh.
Uh-oh, you lost him. Oh. That's a good one. Good job. Let him run. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nathaniel. First tip up of the year. Ooh. Don't hold him like that, Seth. Seth's go-to is muscle. He's like, I'll just yank him up the hole. I've got 4-pound test on that leader.
Oh, so you don't have much on this.
This is gonna be a good one. It's either a good walleye or it's a pike. But
I don't feel head shakes.
good walleye. Yep, don't do that. Don't let them have it loose like that, Bubba.
Oh, I think it's a pike. It's a pike.
It is?
No, it's a walleye.
Grab him. Grab him with your other hand.
Oh, try not to lose your hat down the hole here. Take this thing. Falling off my damn head the whole time.
That's a nice one. Hold that fish up. That's a nice chunky fish, Seth.
Seth 1, Chris 0.
Hold them out. You can't see them up against your camo. There we go. Beautiful fish. What, about 18 probably?
17, 18, probably right in there, yeah.
Tall, chunky.
Yeah, good body. They're eating good.
That's a perfect eating size fish.
You got your hemos?
Good work, Seth. All right, let's get that back down.
All right, Boo Bear. Benny Boo Bear. Same tip up. Not 10 minutes later. Great sign.
This did not get cranked.
Beautiful morning.
Barely got pulled at all.
You gotta watch them though, they sit with it in their mouth sometimes.
Yep, he's there.
Yep.
$15-incher.
Yep.
Another good eater. Look at this. Come in here and look at that. Look where that hook was. He only had that pulled out 6 inches. But that's a good 15-incher. We're gonna measure him just to make sure, but I'm almost positive that's 15.
I don't know, you haven't caught many walleye in your life.
Yeah? You know. I like spice. Spice is nice. Flag.
Which one?
Fire one over here. Woo, baby! We got another flag! Yeah! Yeah!
Great.
Yeah!
Camera.
It's Seth's turn. Alright, Seth. It's a beautiful day. We're chasing flags. Can't mark a fish on the inside of the hut.
Great way to stay in shape.
It is a great way to stay in shape, you're right. Do you want me to pop that hole open for you? Oh yeah, she's off to the side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How's she feel?
Good.
Let her run.
No fish can out-muscle me.
No doubt, but it can out-muscle that line. He's close. Nice one.
Another good keeper.
Hold that one up.
Woohoo!
Your huge man hands make that look like a little fish, but that's probably 17. Hold it out a little bit. There we go. All right, let's see.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh, this has weight.
Yeah.
Oh, oh. This has weight. Nice eye.
Oh, yeah.
Nice walleye. There we go. Beautiful golden walleye. We'll get this back down, catch another. Heck yeah. Well, how we're set up today, we've got a weed point that comes out. There we have a big shallow flat behind us and weeds that kind of come out to a point, and we're kind of set up right on the pinnacle of that point. We're setting up our tip-ups right on the edge of the weeds. Right here behind me, I've got a flag, and not 5 feet behind it is a weed wall. The weeds are coming right up to about 5 foot under the surface. Right here, there's no weeds, and we're about 14 feet. the thinking is that those fish come up against those weeds, and instead of going into the weeds, they follow the edge and they wait for those bait fish to come out, and they kind of ambush them as they get out into the open water. So what we're doing is setting up on these areas where those fish are going to be swimming through and intercepting them on their way. So that's kind of the train of thought with why we are set up right where we're at.
Like it's gonna be for the bands. They're gonna have not the players. The players will be fine. The bands have to
Got
sing
one.
them, whether
Ooh, what'd you get there? So you just play with your line and then...
Nice walleye.
Wow.
Up high. I'll turn that off. Nice walleye.
Beautiful little guy.
And that's why you move. High. Yep. Caught this guy about, I don't know, 10 feet off the bottom and 13 foot of water. Probably not that far, 5 foot off, but nice 18-incher. I'm a little fogged up, but that is why you move. We were proactive, weren't marking them. We had a tip-up that was going off, moved over by it, and we were rewarded by this little guy. Perfect. Thanks for watching today's episode. What a fun trip. Got into some good walleyes. First day with the snowmobile on the ice. Again, please be safe if you're going to take your snowmobile out on this fresh ice. Make sure you're checking where you're going. It was great to have Seth out here today. Caught, what, Seth? 5 walleyes? Yeah, 5 nice walleyes. And man, it's pretty hard to beat. Northern Michigan, first ice, catching some nice chunky walleyes. Stay tuned. We love bringing you these videos, and as always, keep your lines wet. We'll see you on the next one.